How to fix Instagram videos not playing? Here are a few things you can try to fix the problem. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Open another website or app to confirm that your internet is working properly. Next, open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll down to Your App and Media. Now, select Data Usage and Media Quality. Look for Data Saver. If Data Saver is enabled, turn it off so Instagram can load videos in advance. Now, try playing a video again. If Instagram videos are still not playing, you can try clearing the app data on Android. Close Instagram, then tap and hold the Instagram app. Select App Info icon. Select Clear Data on the bottom of the screen. Tap Clear All Data, then confirm by tapping OK. Keep in mind that clearing the app data will log you out of Instagram, so make sure you know your login details before doing this. After that, open Instagram again, log back into your account, and check whether the videos are playing normally. And that's how you can fix Instagram videos not playing on your phone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tutorials.